This is for a regular client, and as you can see, there's quite a few spots in the carpet. And we are going to extract these spots using our revolutionary SETT ULM approach to carpet cleaning. I was the first one to bring this to Tallahassee. This is a great method because the carpet will dry in 1 hour. There will be no resoiling, and those spots and stains will not reappear. The machine of choice is the SETT 2000. It oscillates at 2000 RPMs per minute. It extracts the water-soluble soil. Prior to this, we performed our DICE process. DICE is dry and soluble soil extraction. To you, the viewer, the person that is watching these videos or my content or other content that I've created on this channel, I want to reiterate some of the acronyms and the importance of these acronyms. First, we have SETT. SETT is Soil Extraction Transfer Technology. For your viewer, it's very important to understand that. Second is ULM, Ultra Low Moisture. Third is DICE, Dry and Soluble Soil Extraction. And WC, Water Soluble Soil Extraction. This is the most hypoallergenic form of cleaning. This is a low moisture approach to carpet cleaning. This method will dry in 1 hour. This low moisture approach uses about 1 gallon to 1.5 gallons of water per job. Your traditional methods will use about 30 to 40 gallons per job. That's a huge difference, right? We really do believe in water conservation. We have no loud truck mounts outside of the home. There isn't any noise pollution. Absolutely no running trucks, no carbon monoxide issues, no carbon monoxide going into your home through open doors or open windows. No illegal dumping of wastewater, non-toxic products. The choice is clear.